As we approach from the west, the rugged beauty of Smögen, island in Bohuslän, Sweden, stretches out below. This wild and rocky coastline holds more than scenic views. It tells a story of resilience and adaptation. Formed during the last ice age, these jagged landscapes and rocky pools bear the legacy of time, shaped by nature's hand. In these pools, filled with rainwater over centuries, lives a small unique resident, the natterjack toad. Once common, the natterjack toad is now red-listed and near threatened, its numbers dwindling across Europe. This northernmost colony in the EU boreal zone finds its breeding ground here on Blommerskallen, marking its last stand in this challenging landscape. In these shallow pools, warmed by the sun, natterjack eggs and tadpoles grow, continuing a life cycle that's been part of Smögen for centuries. Local conservationists, aware of the toad's critical role, are working hard to protect the species. With support from state funding and local organisations, the community has taken decisive action to preserve the species. After carefully studying and inspecting over 160 potential breeding sites, counting tadpoles and testing water quality, the team has crafted a plan to restore these habitats to their natural state. The goal is simple, yet vital: to recreate the environment as it was perhaps 50 years ago, when these pools thrived with life. By clearing overgrown waters and removing sediment, they've created welcoming breeding grounds once again for the natterjack. These restored ponds, which warm quickly in the sun, offer an ideal environment for eggs and tadpoles, giving new generations a chance to thrive. Our journey now brings us to Mellanberg, where the Smögen water tower marks a distinct landmark. Nearby, the large and small ponds serve as habitats for large water salamander, the common toad, and the smaller water salamander. This patchwork of biodiversity speaks to the delicate balance of life on this island. This landscape reminds us that biodiversity isn't just a concept, it's right outside our door. By protecting these ecosystems, we are preserving a future where nature and humanity live together, supporting one another. It's a task we owe to the future generations. If we can learn to respect and care for the ecosystems in our neighbourhoods, we're taking the first steps in a larger journey. The natterjack toad of Smögen stands as a symbol of resilience, urging us to engage in the fight for biodiversity, starting right here, close to home.